Welcome to Yoga Asanas for Beginners. If you're looking to start your yoga journey, these beginner-friendly poses are perfect for you. We'll cover 3 categories: standing poses, sitting poses, and lying on stomach poses. Let's begin with standing yoga asanas. Remember to practice at your own pace and listen to your body. Konasana, the sideways bending pose, stretches one arm toward the sky while the other rests against the leg. This pose increases flexibility, balance, and strength while relieving spine and hip tension. Trikonasana, or triangle pose, creates a triangular shape with your body. This pose improves digestion, reduces anxiety and stress, and increases physical balance. Vrikshasana, the tree pose, strengthens legs and improves balance and stability. This excellent pose increases focus, makes legs strong, and opens the hips. Virabhadrasana, the warrior pose, involves a lunge position with arms extended overhead. This pose increases stamina, strengthens arms, and brings courage and grace. Utkatasana, or chair pose, strengthens the legs, back, and core muscles. It strengthens the lower back and torso while developing willpower. Now let's move to sitting yoga asanas. Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend, stretches the hamstrings, lower back, and spine. This pose massages pelvic and abdominal organs and tones the shoulders. Baddhakonasana, the butterfly pose, targets the hips, inner thighs, and groin. It helps with bladder issues, relieves menstrual discomfort, and aids bowel movement. Marjariyasana, the cat stretch, alternately arches and rounds the spine like a cat. This pose relaxes the mind, makes the spine flexible, and improves digestion. Vajrasana, the thunderbolt pose, is performed by kneeling and sitting back on your heels. This meditative pose aids digestion and helps with stress and anxiety. Shishwasana, or child pose, is a relaxing posture that calms the nervous system and relieves constipation. Finally, let's practice lying on stomach yoga poses. Bhujangasana, the cobra pose, lifts the chest while keeping hands under the shoulders. This pose reduces fatigue and stress and is useful for people with respiratory disorders. Dhanurasana, the bow pose, creates a bow shape by holding the ankles with legs lifted backward. This energizing pose improves posture, increases flexibility, and stimulates digestive and reproductive systems. Shalabhasana, the locust pose, lifts the arms, legs, and torso off the ground simultaneously. This pose increases flexibility of the entire back and improves digestion. Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward-facing dog, lengthens the spine, calms the mind, and helps relieve headaches and fatigue. Remember to practice these poses under proper guidance and listen to your body. Start your yoga journey today with these beginner-friendly asanas. Practice regularly and enjoy the benefits of yoga in your daily life. Namaste.